Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, we are going to learn body parts in Japanese. So as you must show, let's begin. First is head and face. Face in Japanese, kao, kao, eyes, me, head, atama, ear, mimi, nose, hana, mouth, kuchi. Atama, head, cow, face, me, eyes, ears, mimi, nose, hana, mouth, Uchi. Okay, and lips, Uchibiru. Next, the upper body parts in Japanese. Shoulder is kata, arm is ude, neck, kubi, hand, te, and finger, jubi. Okay, neck, kubi, shoulder, kata, arm, ude, hand, te, and finger, jubi. Next is torso, upper body part, like chest, mune, stomach, onaka, back, senaka, waist, koshi. Last, lower body part in Japanese, leg or foot, similarly called ashi. Knee is hiza, heel, kakato, ankle, and toes, ashi no yubi. So that's all for today. Thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu.